Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'll be showing you guys how to make a plush unicorn with a tutu. So we'll be making in the Cool Maker Soon style machine. Please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. The pillow fillings, the plush fillings are included in this set. And previously I made a butterfly with flower plush and a rabbit wearing a tutu plush. This video is going to be similar to the rabbit plush only. First, pop out the unicorn ruffle from the pop-out sheet. After cutting out the pop-outs, take your glitter fabric, which is included in the set. Trace your pop-out on the glitter fabric and then make an outline of it. After that, you can cut out your glitter fabric just where it is traced. Be sure not to hurt yourself with the scissors. So if you're young, ask an adult supervision too. If you're not able to do it, you can ask an adult to do it for you too. Do the same with the small pop-out too. Now that you have both the cutouts of the fabric, you need the styling string to attach it with your unicorn. The styling strings are included in the set. I have styling strings left from my previous project, which was of butterfly, and now I'm going to attach it to the sewing machine. Use the guiding line given above the sewing machine to attach your styling string to the machine and then adjust it. Firstly, take the bigger piece of fabric and crunch it. It's better if you fold it first and then crunch it. To form a skirt, then place it beside the unicorn still to give a look that the unicorn is wearing the skirt. This is how the fabric looks when it's crunched. After you place the crunched fabric beside the unicorn's tail, start sewing. Sew it for 1 or 2 centimeters only and then stop the machine. Cut out the extra styling string from the sides. Crunch the smaller piece of fabric just like you did with the bigger one. Then place it a little beside the bigger piece of fabric to give a look of layered skirt. Now sew the smaller piece of skirt just like you did with the bigger one. And then cut out the extra styling string. I am going to attach a butterfly which is included in the set. You don't need a styling string for that. Just place the butterfly anywhere in the fabric and sew it. Time for making the pillow. Take the other end of unicorn fabric and sew on the markings first. Now we will start from number 1 and sew it towards the direction given on the fabric. We will go all over towards the number 2. We will leave some space to fill in the stuffing. Now we will fill in the stuffing inside the pillow. After the stuffing is filled, close the opening by sealing it.